Create multiple columns in Pandas Dataframe from one function. I'm a Python newbie, so I hope my 2 questions are clear and complete. I posted the actual code and a test data set in CSV format below. I've been able to construct the following code, mostly with the help from the Stack Overflow contributors, to calculate the implied volatility of an option contract using Newton-Raphson method. The process calculates vega when determining the implied volatility. Although I'm able to create a new data frame column for implied volatility using the Pandas Dataframe apply method, I'm unable to create a second column for vega. Is there a way to create 2 separate data frame columns when the function to returns for and vega together? I tried. Return for vega from function df vega equals df.apply Newton-Rap axis equals 1 got value error column shape of past values is 56 2 indices imply 56 13. Also tried. Return for vega from function df vega equals df.apply Newton-Rap axis equals 1 got value error column shape of past values is 56 2 indices imply 56 13. Additionally, the calculation process is slow. I imported numba and implemented the @nodule equals true decorator, but I only see a performance improvement of 25%. The test data set is the performance test has almost 900,000 records. The run time is 2 hours and 9 minutes without numba or with numba, but without nodule equals true. The run time when using numba and @nodule equals true is 1 hour and 32 minutes. Can I do better? Test data C:/TMP/test2015093056 records.csv.
If I understand you right, what you should be doing is returning a series from your function. Something like, if you want to put the result into new columns of the same input data frame, then just do.
As far as the performance with numba is concerned, Numba doesn't know anything about Pandas dataframes and cannot compile operations on them down to fast machine code. Your best bet is to profile what part of your method is slow, using line_profiler for example, and then offload that part to another method that you construct the inputs using the .values attributes of the dataframe columns, which gives you access to the underlying NumPy array. Otherwise Numba is just going to operate mostly in object mode, see the Numba glossary, and won't improve performance drastically.
The trick to vectorize code is to not think in terms of rows, but instead think in terms of columns. I almost have this working, I'll try to finish it later, but you want to do something along the lines of this.